National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for west central Kane County in southern Utah, east central Washington County in southwestern Utah until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing intense rainfall across the southeastern portions of Zion National Park. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, specifically for Pine Creek, Spry Canyon, Shelf Canyon, and Lower Clear Creek. Additionally, elevated flows are expected to pass through the East Fork of the Virgin River. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zion National Park and Springdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Washington, Utah,